In 2026, building a lakehouse is easy. Scaling it is the hard part. Most enterprises are hitting a wall where they have data in S3, models in a registry, and dashboards in another silo, with zero visibility into who is using what. Today, we are looking at the solution that turned the lakehouse from a storage strategy into a data intelligence platform. We are deep diving into the central control plane, Unity Catalog. Welcome to Architect Mindset, your blueprint for modern systems. If you're still thinking of Unity Catalog as just a replacement for the old Hive Metastore, you're missing the bigger picture. In the modern stack, Unity Catalog is a unified governance layer. It introduces a standardized three-tier namespace, Catalog, Schema, and Table. But in 2026, it goes much further. It treats volumes, your unstructured PDFs and images, and models, your LLMs, with the same first-class security as a standard SQL table. This is the single pane of glass architects have been chasing for a decade. The killer feature for architects is automated lineage. In 2026, Unity Catalog tracks data from the moment it hits your lake, through the transformation layers, all the way into your vector search indexes and generative AI responses. If a source table changes, you know exactly which AI model is affected. More importantly, we have moved beyond simple roles. With attribute-based access control, you can tag data as personally identifiable information, shortly PII. Unity Catalog enforces that tag everywhere, no matter which workspace or which user is trying to query it. It's governance that scales with your data, not your headcount. Here is where 2026 gets interesting. Unity Catalog is now the heart of your RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation pipelines. By governing your vector indexes within Unity Catalog, you ensure that your LLM only sees the data the user is actually authorized to view. No more leaking sensitive HR docs into a general employee chatbot. We also have Unity Catalog functions. You can now govern your business logic, Python or SQL functions inside the catalog. Instead of every team rewriting the calculate lifetime value logic, you publish it once in Unity Catalog. It's governed, versioned, and reusable across the entire enterprise. Finally, we have to talk about delta sharing. Unity Catalog allows you to share data with partners or other platforms like Power BI or even Snowflake without moving the data or requiring the recipients to be on Databricks. It's an open protocol for a closed security world. And for the admins watching system tables, Unity Catalog logs every query, every access attempt, and every cent spent into system tables that you can query yourself. It's the ultimate audit trail for compliance and finance operations. To conclude, Unity Catalog is not an add on anymore. It is the prerequisite for a functional AI strategy in 2026. If you have not migrated your workspaces to Unity Catalog yet, you're building on sand. Now that we have covered the brain of the system, we need to look at the muscle. Join me next week as we go under the hood of the Databricks core architecture, comparing the control plane, the compute plane, and the massive shift towards serverless versus the classic infrastructure. Subscribe so you don't miss the deep dive into the plumbing that powers the intelligence. I'll see you there.